Today, my train of thought is totally pissed. YouTube is at it again. Now, earlier today, I had a video ready, and I uploaded it. And I sat there and waited, and it says, checking for the copyright thing. So I clicked on the next, and I, did my thing, and I just kept it unlisted for a while. And I waited for about almost 40 minutes, and it was still doing it, and whenever I went to go to hit publish, it says, well, we're still checking on the copyright issues. I wouldn't say issues, but what's it say on there? Just checking the copyright stuff. Okay, now I've never had this problem before, and let's say about a week and a half ago, I seen other people complaining about it on Twitter, on that tweet thing, and I was saying, wow, I never heard of that before. Well, it finally hit me. I had it ready about 10 after 3, and finally about, 3:45, I went on my YouTube app on my cell phone, and I checked it out on there, and I said, well, let me see if it'll go public on here. So I, hit on public. There was no warnings, nothing at all. But one thing that I noticed about on it, it went public. I could hear the notification on my Discord server that it went up. And I noticed on there where it says monetization unknown. So I said, uh-oh, something is still wrong. So it's not really working. So I pulled it off. I made it unlisted again right away. It wasn't even up 30 seconds, but I still got a lot of views on it because it went out on the Discord server. It was out there. YouTube said, still claims that, that's the time that I uploaded it, even though I pulled it right off. Now it is 8 minutes after 7. And I'll show you this right here. There's the video right there. Back to basics, building a model railroad, DIY. And you can see right here, checks running. See that thing right there? That is 4 hours of the same thing on there. Okay, and normally, I got 112 views on it. Normally, in 4 hours, I'd have about 400 or 500 views on it easily. But I mean, it's been held back. This thing on here. I mean, let me backtrack a little bit. Finally, after I think it was about 5 o'clock or so. It was almost 6 o'clock. I finally put it on public again, and since then, it only got about 50 more views on it. So, in the first couple of hours when it was still unlisted, it got 60-some views. And then since then, it's only gotten about 50 views. And that is not right for any of my videos. So YouTube is really screwing around with something. I don't know what the hell is going on. The ones that I did hear from, like as early as a week and a half ago, have over 1 million subscribers, and they said they were having problems with the checks. It was taking an excessive amount of time, but they still got their videos out. They came out late, but they still came out. But I know that they waited until it was finished because they said so. But here we are after 7 o'clock, 4 hours later, and we still got this up here, which is really ridiculous. Come on, YouTube. What the hell is going on with you? Huh? Holy moly! This is a good time for a rant. Okay, there we go. That's a rant, and I'm going to put this one out today. You know, just on top of that other one, just because of that crap. And so, I thought it was a pretty good video. It talked about the Blair Line wood grade crossings and how to get around some of the problems with them. And it's just not getting any traction. None at all, because YouTube's holding it back on there. So it's still up there unmonetized. So I'm going to put this up here and see if that, you know, I still get the same warning on it, you know, checks running. And we'll see. So let me put this up there, because these people are on here supporting my channel, and I really want to thank them for it. Go ahead, crank it up. Don't forget to show your support and smash that join button. Support this channel by becoming a member and see your name in the credits. And also, your name will stand out in the chat. Thank you. Thank you very much for your support. And let's do this like we do on a live stream. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and smash that like button. Smash that like button, and watch this. Here is the module cam. All right, check that out. Oh my goodness. Woo, boy. Okay. The Doritos are half eaten. Oh, okay. All right. So anyway, here we go. It is still messing up. It says checks running. Let me refresh this right here. Boom. And it still says checks running. Okay, so that tells you a lot about YouTube. So that's my rant for today. A special edition rant, not live, but recorded. So until the next time, we'll see ya. Okay. Yeah.